Welcome back to my vlog! So for today's episode of Learn with Faith, we are going to demonstrate to you a language corpora and concordancing tool. But some of you may be wondering what is language corpora and concordancing. So let's start first by determining the terms. In linguistics, a corpus or corpora in plural term is a collection of linguistic data used for research, scholarship, and teaching. It is also called as a text corpus and it is usually contained in a computer database. Did you know that the first systematically organized computer corpus was the Brown University Standard Corpus of Present-Day American English, compiled in the 1960s by linguists Henry Kucera and W. Nelson Francis. On the other hand, concordancing is a core tool in corpus linguistics, and it simply means using corpus software to find every occurrence of a particular word or phrase. With the computer, we can now search millions of words in seconds. The search word or phrase is often referred to as the node, and concordance lines are usually presented with the node word or phrase in the center of the line with 7 or 8 words presented at either side. These are known as keyword in context displays or KWIC concordances. Now that we know what is language corpora and concordancing, the effectiveness of our analysis is usually determined by the capability of the software we use. So now, I am going to present to you one of the most widely used corpus software, which is Sketch Engine. Sketch Engine was originally developed by Dr. Adam Kilgariff and Dr. Pavel Wychley. Its name is derived from a feature within the software that produces word sketches which summarize a word's grammatical and collocational behavior. The Sketch Engine software tool comes with a number of inbuilt corpora and also allows you to upload your own corpus into the software. You may use Sketch Engine to analyze your corpus by examining frequency lists, keywords, and n-grams, as well as using it for a number of other methods of corpus analysis. Let's now proceed to our demonstration. Go to your browser and type sketchengine.eu. So this is what the tool looks like. It will ask you to log in. If you do not have an account yet, you can sign up. After signing up or logging in, we will now proceed with selecting our corpus or the language that we are going to use. So for this tutorial, we are going to pick English. This is the corpus dashboard or the home page. So as you can see, the tools are presented. These are available for searching and analyzing the selected corpus. Our selected corpus for now is English Web 2015. But if you wish to change it, then you can have a number to select from. And you can even create your own corpus. Going back with the tools, if a button is inactive, then the corpus is not compatible with the tool. Say for example, the parallel concordance and the trends are inactive, then that means they are not compatible. Let's proceed with our first tool, which is the word sketch, all about the collocations and word combinations. So we are now asked to type our lemma. When we say lemma, it is the basic form of a word. So, for example, we want to search for quick. So the word sketch will process all the words, collocates, and other words in its surrounding. And the results are organized into categories called the grammatical relations. So we can see nouns modified by quick, modifiers of quick, quicks, and on or, prepositional phrases, and so on. So the word sketch is showing us the collocations and word combinations of the word quick, but as an adjective. So if you wish to change the part of speech, we can simply click the button. So we can have quick as an adverb or quick as a noun. What makes the word sketches unique? So a large modern corpora can contain billions of words with thousands of instances of each word. This makes it unrealistic to look at each concordance line. The word sketch solves this problem. By clicking this button, we can change the view options of our word sketch. We can show the frequency, or we can even show the scores. So a high score means that the collocate is often found together with the node, and at the same time there are not very many other nodes that the collocate combines with, or it does not combine with them too frequently. That means the bond between the node and the collocate is very strong. However, a low score means that the collocate likes to combine with very many other words. The bond between the node and the collocate is weak, which means a weak collocation. We will now be moving on to our second tool, which is the word sketch difference. So the word sketch difference is used for making comparisons by contrasting collocation. Say for example, I want to compare the lemma quick with the lemma fast. The sketch engine assigns a color for the two search words. In this case, we have green for the quick and then red for fast. Then it compares the use of each collocate with both search words or in both subcorpora in each grammatical relation separately. The colors indicate the search word or a subcorpus where the collocate is more frequent. The shade of the color indicates the strength of the collocation. The white lines in the center contain collocates without a preference of a green or red word or a subcorpus. So what makes the word sketches difference unique? The collocates of a word give a good idea about how the word is used, about subsenses, subject area, connotations, or register. Comparing the collocations will provide a great insight into the difference in use and meaning. Our next tool is Thesaurus. The Thesaurus in Sketch Engine is an automatically generated list of synonyms or words belonging to the same category or semantic field. So we are now asked to put our lemma, so we will be using our example quick. The list is produced based on the context in which the words appear in the selected text corpus. Only nouns, adjectives, verbs, and adverbs are supported in most corpora. So in here, the results shown are from quick as an adjective. So if you wish to change it, then we just have to click this button and we can choose either quick as an adverb or quick as a noun. What makes the Thesaurus unique? Because no manual work is involved, the synonym list can be generated for any word in the language provided a sufficient number of occurrences is found in the corpus. This is why synonym list can be generated even for rare words which would not be included in traditional thesauri. The next tool is Concordance. It is the most powerful tool with a variety of search options. It can find words, phrases, tags, documents, text types, or corpus structures and displays the result in context in the form of a concordance. In concordance, type a word or a phrase. If you wish to put a lemma, for example, go, the search will automatically include all the forms of the word, like go, goes, went, gone, going, and so on. By clicking this button, it will help us limit the word into certain parts of the corpus. If we put a question mark in, for example, ITY, it will show all the results of words that ends with ITY. If we put MIS and then an asterisk, it will show all the results that are beginning with miss. All tools in Sketch Engine are linked to the concordance to allow users to see how the results of other tools are used in context. The next tool is word list or frequency list. The word list tool is used to generate frequency lists of all kinds, list of words, lemmas, nouns, verbs, tags, words containing or not containing certain characters. The word list will allow you to set the criteria you need. For example, I am searching for words that are adjectives and at the same time starting with letter Q. So this frequency or absolute frequency will show the number of times the word appeared in the corpus. Remember that the results will be more representative if the list is generated from a large corpus. There is, however, no minimum corpus size required for the word list to work. The next tool is the n-grams. So the n-gram tool produces frequency list of sequences of tokens. When we say tokens, it refers to the smallest unit that a corpus consists of. A token normally refers to a word form, a punctuation, digits, abbreviations, or anything else between spaces. Spaces are not tokens. So now I will be choosing 3 as my n-gram length. The next tool is the keywords or terminology extraction, which are used to extract terminology for use in translation and interpreting. It extracts single word and multi-word units which are typical of a corpus, document, or text, or which define its content or topic. The keywords and term extraction results will be divided into 2. The first is the single words or keywords. In here, the results will most likely include nouns and adjectives because the frequencies of other parts of speech tend to be similar in all texts. While in the multi-words or terms, these are multi-word expressions which appear more frequently because they match the typical format of terminology in the language. The text type analysis is just a statistics of the whole corpus. While the last tool, which is the one-click dictionary, this feature is still in development. That concludes our today's demonstration. I hope you learned something today. See you in the next episode.